For sale for $200,000. Transports heavy equipment. 780 horsepower. 200 tons. What if I told you America's most expensive truck is actually worth every penny? Meet the Mack Titan, a beast like no other. But why does it come with such a jaw-dropping price? Is it just the brand, or is there something more? In today's video, we're breaking down what makes the Mack Titan so special and why it's more expensive than its rivals. Curious to find out if it's really worth the cost? Stick around, what you'll learn might surprise you. And hey, can we get 5,000 likes on this video? Smash that like button. When you hear that the Mack Titan costs $200,000, your first reaction might be, is it really worth that much? Well, let's break it down. The Titan isn't just any truck, it's a beast engineered for the toughest jobs on Earth. This machine is built to haul up to 200 tons. That's the kind of weight most trucks couldn't even dream of pulling. And while other trucks might top out at 500 or 600 horsepower, the Mack Titan boasts a massive 780 horsepower. This power, combined with its 2,060 lb of torque, makes it one of the most formidable haulers in the industry. So whether you're pulling heavy machinery, moving across mining fields, or traversing rugged terrains, the Titan can do it all without breaking a sweat. But here's the thing, the price isn't just about brute strength, it's about longevity and reliability. The Mack Titan is equipped with double and triple frame rails, meaning it can withstand extreme pressure and maintain stability even on the toughest, unpaved roads. This is a truck built for serious work, and with it comes serious durability. Now here's a curious question. How many of these monsters will be sold in 2024? The Mack Titan isn't being churned out in massive numbers like your average pickup truck. It's a specialized vehicle. However, in America and places like Australia, it continues to hold a dominant position in industries that require such heavy-duty performance. In 2024, Mack Trucks is expected to sell hundreds of these units worldwide, especially in industrial sectors that require reliable, heavy hauling equipment. The truck's reputation for handling extreme conditions, such as the mining fields in Australia or the oil-rich areas of North America, ensures a steady demand for this powerhouse. The Mack Titan is most commonly found in Australia and North America, particularly in areas that require heavy-duty work. From the outback to the oil fields of Texas, the Titan is relied upon to handle some of the toughest, most rugged jobs on the planet. And while its price tag might make it seem out of reach for smaller operations, larger industrial players see the Titan as an essential tool for their operations. The Mack Titan isn't your everyday truck. Its primary use is in heavy-duty industries such as construction, mining, logging, and oil field operations. Imagine hauling equipment across rough terrains where the nearest city is hundreds of miles away. That's where the Titan thrives. One of the most remarkable uses of the Mack Titan is in road trains, especially in places like Australia, where multiple trailers are hooked up to a single truck and hauled over vast distances. If you're in an industry that requires moving massive loads across long distances, there are very few trucks that can compete with the Mack Titan's capability. Now let's talk maintenance. With such a high price tag, you might expect the upkeep to break the bank. While the Mack Titan does come with some significant maintenance costs, it's designed to be low maintenance compared to other heavy-duty trucks in the same category. How? The vertical air intake system plays a big role. It filters out dust and dirt, meaning fewer clogs and less frequent filter changes. The double and triple frame rails also ensure that the truck's core structure remains solid even under extreme stress. So yes, while maintenance costs can add up, The Titan is built to require fewer repairs, which means fewer breakdowns and less time spent off the road. Here's where the Mack Titan really shines: driver comfort. You're not just getting a powerful machine, you're getting a home on wheels. The 70-inch walk-through sleeper cab offers a spacious, configurable interior that can be customized to meet your specific needs. Whether you're crossing desert plains or city streets, the Mack Titan's sleeper cab ensures you're traveling in comfort. Inside, you'll find cabinets, wardrobes, and work surfaces to keep things organized. There's even a 50-liter refrigerator to store your food and drinks. Need privacy? The sleeper windows come with built-in shades that black out 100% of the light, and they can be tilted open to let in fresh air while keeping the rain out. Plus, there are USB ports, power outlets, and even controls for the lights and HVAC system, all easily accessible from one panel. For entertainment, the cabin includes a TV space, and there's room for a microwave to make sure you're eating well on the road. The underbunk storage is illuminated and provides plenty of space for all your gear. It's not just a truck, it's a mobile apartment designed for long-haul comfort. What makes the Mack Titan pricier than its next closest rival? The Kenworth C500. The C500 is a strong competitor, but it simply can't match the Titan when it comes to sheer power. While the Kenworth C500 is powerful in its own right, it falls short of the Titan's 780 horsepower and 200-ton capacity. In terms of towing and hauling capabilities, the Titan just outmuscles it. Moreover, the Titan's advanced features set it apart. The cooling system is specifically designed for extreme conditions, making it ideal for work in hot, dusty environments like the Australian outback. And the vertical air intake snorkels? Those aren't just for show, they keep dust and debris out of the engine, ensuring a longer life for critical components. The Kenworth C500 may be close, but the Titan's advanced engineering gives it an edge that justifies its higher price tag. So there you have it, the Mack Titan, America's most expensive truck. From its $200,000 price tag to its 780 horsepower and everything in between, this truck is a monster on the road and a haven for its drivers. But what do you think? Is it worth the price? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's most powerful trucks, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.